Hey guys, welcome back to the CT70 Garage. And I know we're not looking at a CT70. This is an SL70. We did a video. Actually, I think we've had a couple videos on it. We did one the day that we bought it as part of a group of bikes. And we explained that it had been on fire. It had a little tank and wiring fire underneath the tank. And then we did a video a couple days ago where we kind of went through it to see if we could get it to run again, and we actually did get it to run and ride. So those who know me know I can't leave things alone, so I've been tinkering with it some more. I actually took some parts off the front end and cleaned up those. If you look at the old video, the headlight was black with soot. I straightened out the best I could the dented up front fender. I think the thing was laid down pretty hard. It still has some damage, obviously. The seat, has got the burn spot on it. And it had a high exhaust, a CT70 exhaust on it that melted the side case. I kind of heated that up and pushed it back out just a little bit, but it didn't, I didn't get it all the way out. But you can tell I put a headlight in it. It had the bucket, but it was missing the rest. The speedometer was toast, totally burnt the speedometer up. So I didn't have another SL70 speedometer, but I had a CT70 4-speed, an H speedometer, spare one. So I set that on there. I found a breather box to fit it. I found the original low swept type exhaust. Now it is rusted in two down here. This is basically two pieces. The header pipe is pretty long and actually sticks up into here, I don't know, probably this far or so. It does not have a wiring harness at all. It completely roached the wiring harness, so I've just got it wired straight from the stator to the coil, and I just choke it to kill it. I put a front brake cable on it, speedometer cable on it. Oh, I changed that big back tire. If you saw the other videos, it had a big, meaty back tire. It was so big, I just couldn't keep it from rubbing on the swing arm, so I did away with that. I pulled that tire off, and I had a decent used one and put it on there. So still don't have a tail light. Tail lights for these things are kind of hard to find, come by. I swapped out the gas cap that was on the red parts bike that we got that day. That bike's sitting over there. Stole the gas cap off of that one. It still doesn't seal really, really well. It's still, you slosh it around, you'll still get some gas kind of pours out. But anyway, I just wanted to do one last video on this SL70K1. I took and kind of tried to clean the tank up the best I could. And, like I said, we cleaned the car. That dirty carburetor. I ran that carburetor through the ultrasonic cleaner. I should have put the intake in there too. Intake's still dirty, but got the carburetor cleaned. And she's a runner and a rider. It shifts through all the gears just fine. So again, if anybody's done a little more work to it, I've added some parts to it, but I'm not going to increase the price. If someone is interested in it, hit me up with a message. I'm looking to get $1,500 for it. If you want it and the red parts bike and the box that has the disassembled engine for that parts bike and some of the burn up parts that came off of the K1 that I took off of this one, you'll get everything that goes with those two bikes for $1,800. So I'll leave it up for sale for a few weeks. If nobody is interested, we'll just keep it, and maybe we'll pull it back later for another video, clean it up even more. I appreciate everybody following along. Love seeing the comments. So if you got a comment or something, if you enjoy it, let me know. Give me a thumbs up or a like. And we will see you on the next video. See you guys. Oh, I guess I really can't end it without at least starting it for you. I even cleaned the tank. So it's running off the original tank. I cleaned the petcock. It seems to be working okay. Probably still stand to get a tune-up. I haven't taken the tappet covers off to adjust the valves or do anything to it. Points, nothing. So it's just running from how we found it. So guys, have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.